Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu, I'm gonna have to break this in parts because listen, there's so much that I want to say about this episode. But firstly, let's talk about Uvuyokazi, you guys. I feel like this episode, the diary session, is the first time ever I am seeing Uvuyo like coming for Utirelo, like for every literal thing, like izinto ezingekho necessary. And I'm just like, girl, like what's up? Like why are you so much in Tirelo's business? But then again, I'm just like, Tirelo has been in your business. So these two ladies, listen, they've got beef. And their beef has history, you guys. So, Uvuyo here. So, when the episode starts, you guys, let's just start there. The episode starts and they are having dinner at the palace. And guess what's the first thing I notice, you guys? The first thing I notice is that Umpumelelo, while wearing his dapper suit, those blue shoes are featured. Tell me why. The blue shoes that the whole of South Africa was going on about. Why Tulo? Like, why is he wearing those blue shoes? Those blue shoes that Utebelo made a joke out of, Umpumelelo wearing them. I'm just like, at this point, those blue shoes, they might as well be part of the cast, one of the cast members, because the way Umpumelelo loves those shoes and Azingeni wears. Anyway, so everyone comes in looking all cute, looking all fresh. In Dawonje, the dinner table is set. Listen, you know the saying that says you lay the scripture that says you place a table before me. You place a table before me in front of my enemies. It literally felt like that. So everyone comes in looking all nice, and then the last person who is late is Utirelo. Irola comes in and Utirelo is like, listen, I made sure I took my time. I wanted to make the effort. And Lesanuka was looking good. Everyone was looking good. And then Uviogazi says in her diary session, Udirelo is basically seeking attention. She is late on purpose. I'm just like, Uviogazi, ma'am. I don't know the side of you, the spicy side of you. I didn't know the side of her. But anyway, I feel like Uvuyoga did this diary session. It was just all about Utirel. But there's one thing that I want to come to that I'm just like, listen, now that we are at war, we might as well be at war because one thing we know about Uvuyoga is fans that will fight for him. I feel like, guys, the way Uvuyoga was throwing jabs at Utirelo, if tables were turned, Utirelo would have been trending for that right now. She would have been trending for that right now, and let's just be honest about it because I feel like when it comes to Uvuyokazi, listen, I love both of them. I'm even tired of saying that thing because at this point, who cares? Like, no one cares. But I feel like if it was Utirel who was throwing the jabs that Uvuyokazi was throwing today, we would have never heard the end of it. But anyway, I am saying to a certain extent it's justifiable because listen, Utirelo is not all the innocent. Utirelo has been making comments and has been coming for Uvuyokazi. So I mean, you poke the bear and now when the bear's awake, you wanna cry that it's roaring? Angazi, you know? So, Utirelo, Uvuyokazi basically says Utirelo is a joke sitting there. I'm just like, listen to this. A joke is calling another joke a joke. Because at this point, they are both jokes. No, I am convinced at this point, they are both jokes. Vuyokazi is a joke for this whole drama that she's pulling for a man that she's saying she no longer wants. But I guess the reason why she's doing it is because she wants to clarify her name and exit Kahle. I don't know if it's exiting Kahle with this whole drama, but exit while having cleared her name. And Utirelo is still the joke for still staying with a man like Umpumelelo. I just can't even like the thing that just irritated me the most is when Uvuyokazi is even saying that Umpumelelo unwase uviki. So meaning in Xhosa it means basically that Umpumelelo has a crush on Uviki. And I am convinced that Uvuyokazi has known for a long time that Umpumelelo has a crush on Uviki, but she still continued dating Umpumelelo while keeping Vicky as a best friend. Ay, come on, guys, make that make sense. Why would you be close friends or best friends with someone and you know your man is into them? Like, you're gonna have to choose at the end of the day. So, guys, now at this point, both of these ladies are clowns. I am sorry. And to just think that Utirel is still gonna continue with that man, and no. That's why I'm just like, weird as you calling Utirelo like a joke, because at this point, there's like they are both the jokes. I don't even know what else to say concerning that, because I'm just like, I low key am mad at both of these women for staying there with a man, for even staying that long with a man, with a guy, body a boy child or a man child, for staying with a man child for this long, and he's just sitting there chilled, acting as if he's mature, and whereas guys, let's just park it there. You know what? Let's just park it there. Um, let's just park it there, and then we'll speak about other things on a different video. Anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think about this part of Uvuyokazi? You know, the comments, the jabs she was throwing on the side. You know what? I low-key even believe it was Uvuyokazi and Uviki abalalanga whole night busy talking about Utirelo, or just because I feel like when Uviki was even talking in that dress, she was only looking at one person. She was talking about Utirelo. So I agree with Utirelo. But there's another part that I don't like about Utirelo that I've noticed that she does. And I think I'll talk about that on a different video. Let me park this here for now. Tell me what you think about this, you guys. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.